Hello guys, DevOps interview questions. Your application is slow in production. How do you troubleshoot? Step by step approach. Check monitoring dashboards, CPU, memory, disk, network. Check logs, application logs, error logs. Check APM tools. Trace slow API calls. Database check, slow queries, connection pool issues. Check infrastructure, load balancer health, pod status in Kubernetes. Example, if CPU is high, then scale horizontally. If DB is low, optimize queries. Always follow systematic debugging, not guessing. Jenkins pipelines suddenly stop working. What will you do? Troubleshooting. Check Jenkins service status. Check pipeline logs. Verify plugins updated or broken. Check credentials, expired tokens. Check Git connectivity. Real issue example, GitHub token expired. Pipeline fails. Update credentials, fix. A container keeps restarting in Kubernetes. Why? Possible reason, application start crash, wrong misconfiguration, failed liveness or readiness probe, memory limit exceed, OEM killed. Steps, kubectl describe pod, kubectl logs, check events. Example, if OEM killed, increase memory limits. Website is down. How will you respond? Incident respond. Check monitoring alerts. Verify server status. Check load balancer. Restart services if needed. Rollback deployment if recent change. Important. Communication with team. Follow incident management process. How do you secure a Docker container? Best practices will be use minimal base image like Alpine. Avoid running as root. Scan images with Trivy. Limit container resources. Use read-only file system. Example, prevent privilege escalation attack. How do you reduce deployment risk? Techniques can be canary deployment, blue-green deployment, feature flags, automated testing. Example, release feature to 5% user first. Database is a bottleneck. What will you do? Solutions can be add indexing, use read replicas, cache data with Redis, optimize queries. Example, frequently accessed data, store it in cache. Explain caching in DevOps. Caching stores frequently and use data for faster access. Types can be application cache, example of Redis, CDN cache, browser cache. Benefit, reduces load, improves performance. What is circuit breaker pattern? Prevents system failure by stopping repeated requests to failing services. States can be close means normal, open means block, half open means testing. Example, if payment API fails, stop calling it temporarily. What is idempotency? Same request gives same result, no duplication. Example, payment API should not charge twice. Important in API's deployment scripts. How do you manage multi-environment deployments? Environments, development, testing, staging, production. Approach should be separate configurations. Use environment variables, CI/CD pipelines per environment. What is chaos engineering? Testing system reliability by intentionally causing failures. Tools can be chaos monkey, shut down server randomly, test resilience. What is SLA, SLO, SLI? SLA means agreement with users. SLO means target performance. SLI means actual measurement. Example, SLA 99.9% uptime. How do you ensure high availability in Kubernetes? Methods can be multiple replicas, pod, anti-affinity, load balancing, auto scaling. What is sidecar pattern? A helper container runs alongside main container. Example, logging container, proxy container. How do you handle log management at scale? Centralized logging, ELK stack, Fluent TD. Flow can be apt to log collector to Elasticsearch to Kibana. What is Git branching strategy? Common strategies: Git flow, trunk based development. Example, feature branch merge into main branch. What is artifact repository? It stores built artifacts. Example, Nexus Artifactory stores jar files, Docker images. What is network policy in Kubernetes? It controls communication between pods. Example, allow frontend with the backend only. Benefit security. Explain a real DevOps project. Example project, e-commerce application deployment. Architecture, code stored in a GitHub. Jenkins pipeline builds code. Docker image created. Image pushed to registry. Kubernetes deploys app. Prometheus with Grafana for monitoring. Result, automated deployments, scalable system, high availability. Thank you.